Biostart program is a partnership between LSU Health Shreveport and Southwood High School. So the purpose of this program is to enhance education of underserved community. The students are the students enrolled in the Biostart Academy. They are seniors in Southwood High School. So each year we host 5 to 8 students. You can see they will be exposed to biomedical research for the whole semester. Then at the end of the program, they're going to make a very nice poster presentation and they will compete at the regional science fair. The program now is funded by the Biomedical Research Foundation, LSU Health Science Foundation, as well as the Department of Pharmacology. I just welcome everyone to get to the poster session, talking to the students, encouraging them to pursue a biomedical research career in the future. That's the purpose of doing this program.